What happens when one of these miners like doesn't work anymore?
Breaks. Well, if you buy
or dies, I don't know, like maybe it's been 5 years or 7 since.
Yeah, I mean, the miners, depending on the facility and how they're maintained, depends how long, you know, they last. Also, like if the mine's going on and off, like it's not good for the machines to turn on and off. So there's a lot of factors of the length, the lifetime. But yeah, the machines can go 5 to 7 years. If, you know, when you buy a new machine, there's 3 major suppliers, you know, MicroBT, which is Whatsminer, Bitmain, which is the Antminer, and Canon, you know, which is another miner. But they all come with a 1-year warranty. So if they break,
1-year warranty.
1-year warranty.
Okay.
So in all the main mining countries, there's repair centers where you can take it back and it's covered. But after that, you're on your own, and if it breaks, you have to get it fixed. And if it's unfixable,
you have to figure it out.
you're just out of luck.
Okay. And have you ever fixed one of these miners yourself?
I don't fix them myself. No, we have people that do that.
Okay.